Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to mark your chats on Instagram as unread. So make sure you follow this video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to go to your Instagram and just logging into your account. After that we will need just to go to the inbox. So this is the help center of Instagram, and here they explain how you can mark your shots as unread. But this is an important note. Marking shots as unread only serves as a reminder. That means even if someone's already saw your shots, or you already like marked view, it will be or it will remain as seen. So either on the Android or iOS uh, apps, you can have the same method. So basically, you will need just to go to your messages or to your inbox, and then you will need just to hold, click on any inbox or message, and then you will need just to swipe left or of your conversation, and then you will need just to make it as in read. So either you press and hold, or you can swipe left on iOS. That means you will need just to swipe left, and you can have delete or uh, mute the messages, or you can of course unread the messages or this conversation. So basically this method is as simple as it seems, and of course you can do it both on Android and iPhone app, but you can there isn't like uh, a method for the desktop or the website app. So make sure you are using the mobile app and just follow this method for Android or Apple in that sense. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.